up, guys? Y'all already know who it is. It's your boy SOB Roo. We are back. We're over here today at Carismatic Automotives. We got the Drift Z up there on the lift right now, getting the wheel alignment, getting the diff brakes put on, and also got the adjustable camber arms being put on right now. I got my boy Jabari up there doing this thing. I don't know where the hell Barack went, but he's around here somewhere. We got Barack Ozar. That's how you say it, right? Ozar? Barack Ozar. And we got fucking Jabari. I'm gonna call him Jabari Munchies because that's his Instagram name. But as y'all can see, y'all saw him last time at the track when we were showing y'all. That was the guy in the 1JZ and the guy in the red 350Z. They're also mechanics. But as you guys can see, got the old arms off. Got those new arms on under there on each side, adjustable. Got the NVIDIA exhaust on there. That been on there. My guy's getting the wheel alignment right. Got Munchie 6 right there. He's the real drift guy.
He's doing God's work, you know.
He's over there getting it done.
See, look at that. Did it by eyeball for the camera. That's almost identical.
Sheesh.
When doing drifting for the rear, especially, you're gonna want 0 tow, 0 degrees of tow, and 0 degrees of camber, especially for lower horsepower cars. I mean, if you guys had a little bit more horsepower and you wanted like that front bite, then you would tow it in just a little bit and kind of go towards the positive side. That way, when the car squats, you know, you're just aiming forward and going faster. But since we're a low horsepower car, we want consistency. We're gonna try to get this whole rear end as close to 0 as possible. And then the front, as you can see, is very, very off. You got 2 degrees of toe in here. We're gonna have to tow it out. And we're gonna go for 0 in the front on toe. Camber is nice and even. We don't have camber adjustment because we don't have the lower control arm, or you don't have the upper adjustable wishbone. So it's kind of crazy. The camber is the same as that. But yeah, that's
Not too shabby.